Hey y'all, it's Taylor Chu. If you're looking for an easy Thanksgiving craft, well, do I have the thing for you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to decorate pine cones in 4 different ways. This is good for kids and kids at heart. I call this one painting the nails because you're gonna go around and paint those lighter edges all around the pine cone. This is a good option for older kids or anyone feeling more creative. You can paint in a theme of colors. The brown will naturally show through some of your paint, but it gives it a really nice rustic wash. If using glitter, I highly recommend tapping over a plate or a bowl to catch any of the excess, and then you can reuse it later by putting it back into your glitter container. If you've got kids at home, this is a great distraction for while you're busy in the kitchen. Or take a break from all the cooking, paint some pine cones, and relax. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for checking out this video. I have other crafting and baking videos on my channel, so check those out. Until next time, I'm grateful for you.